All right, so looking at that first example here, if we were to sketch the right triangle that we're looking at, the hypotenuse is root 2164, and the leg is 20. Now, it doesn't matter which leg I identify, but what does matter is whichever leg I didn't identify as the given is going to be the height of my triangle. Because base times height, when you're dealing with the right triangle, one of the legs is your base, the other leg's your height. And now, it's possible that you could use perpendicular from the hypotenuse to the right angle, but it's just usually going to be easiest just to use the legs as the base and height of this triangle. All right, so the first thing I would need to do is find what my h value is. So what I get is the sum of the squares of my two sides, my legs, is equal to the square of my hypotenuse. And so here I get h squared plus 400 is equal to 2164. Again, the square and the square root just cancel. Subtract 400 from both sides gives me 1764. Extract my square root. And when I do that, I get the square root of 1764, and that is 42. So there is my height. Once I have that, I can now find my area. Area is equal to 1/2 the base of 20, the height of 42. Half of 20 is 10. 10 times 42 gives me 420. The units were yards. The area is two-dimensional. So I get 420 square yards as my solution.